Okay, so hello. Hi everyone. It's Stacy from Peony Lane Designs. Don't forget to click the subscribe channel, by the way. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button right now. Just do it. I have a unique situation. I am at a archery tournament. My daughter just finished shooting, and she wants to stay and watch the upper school. So does her dad, and I am in Fairbault, Minnesota. So this is about 2 hours away from my house. So I'm gonna go Junkin. They've got a place here called Jan's that is supposed to be really great. So let's go see what Jan's got in Fairbault. I don't have my lucky Junkin yet, though. We'll see what they've got anyway. Maybe I'll get lucky anyway. Well, I found it. Look how cute this is. I already see some things I want to take home. What a cute little place Jan's was. Hoppin' little place. I got to meet Jan. Definitely the place you want to hit if you're in Fairbault. I mean, seriously, it's time to get out to Jan's and see what she's got. They had a back room full of furniture, and for what I do with it, a little top of the mark, but they were in great condition. So if you're looking for furniture that's in excellent condition at a good price, go there. If you're looking for pieces to upcycle and sell, then no, it's probably not. I did get some glass pieces. I'll show you what I got. So I got some really cute pieces, and I think it was $30-some for the total of everything. A lot of it's going to go up on the Etsy site because it was left in, and some cute little glass pieces, vintage figurines and things like that. So yeah, overall I'm happy. So I'm going to get over, pick up my family from archery. My daughter's deadly with a bow. Do not get in her way. All right, we're off. Thanks everyone, happy Junkin! Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and of course, more Junkin videos.